Dear lovers and friends, good day and welcome back to my channel. It's Doris here as always, and I'm back with another video as usual. And today's video is going to be a tutorial. I'm just going to be teaching you guys an easy way to make this reversible satin hair bonnet. Very easy. So just keep watching. First, fold the material in two, then you fold it again. As you see in the video, it's very easy if you just apply what you see in the video. So it's a total of 4 times. Sorry, it's folded into 4 pieces at the end of the day. Yeah, you repeat the same folding process for the satin and then place the Ankara material on top and cut it also. That's just it. So when you open it, you get a round shaped material. Just keep watching, you get to see it. So guys, this is what the material looks like after opening it. When you cut it, after cutting it, you open it, this is what it looks like. So what you just have to do is to place each of them the right side facing each other. You place the right side facing each other, then you sew it round as you can see in the video. You sew it round and then you leave a small space in the sewing where you can turn it open. That's that small space, you use it to turn the right side out, just like you're seeing in this video. As you can see, the small space that is there, that's what I'm using to turn it so the right side can come out. Very easy. You can use a sewing machine or you can use a needle and thread. So this is what it looks like after turning. This is what it looks like. So this is just me measuring 2 inches from where we got to turn it. I'm going to measure it round because that's where the elastic is going to stay. So as you can see it, I just measured it and then I sew it round, and this space is where the elastic is going to pass through. This is where the elastic is going to enter. So guys, after sewing where the elastic is going to pass through, then you just use a safety pin to put in the elastic. You're going to put the elastic round the whole material, round it the way you sew it. You're going to put it from the beginning to the end. So when it gets to the end, you just tie the elastic and leave it to go into the material. I don't know if you can understand what I'm saying, but as you can see from the video, this is just me putting in the elastic. I make sure I put it in to the end and then I tie it. That's, I just get to tie the two together and leave it. It just goes inside the material, and that's it guys. You have your hair bonnet. Very easy to make. It's reversible. You can wear either the front or the back. That's, you can wear the satin area or the Ankara area, whichever one you like. Very easy. You can see it. Beautiful. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, share with your friends, and most especially subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next one. But for now, bye.